afternoon, dear children. So dear children, today we are moving to our next topic, that is converting time. Okay, so today we will learn how we can convert time. Okay, so here we have been given some formulas, that is 1 hour that is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute that is equal to 60 seconds, 1 minute that is equal to 1 by 60 hour, and 1 second that is equal to 1 by 60 minute. Okay, so for converting hours to minutes we have to multiply with 60. For converting minutes to seconds we have to again multiply with 60. But for converting minutes to hours we have to divide by 60, and similarly for converting seconds to minutes we have to again divide it with 60. Okay, so let us start with how to convert hours to minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, if it is 2 hours, then we have to multiply 2 multiplied by 60. Okay, we have to multiply this with 60. 2 multiplied by 6, that is equal to 120 minutes. Okay, this is how we have to convert hours into minute. Okay, it was 1 hour, that is 60 minutes. Was it 1 hour that is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, it is understood, because if we multiply 60 with 1, it will come 60 minutes. Okay, so 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. But if it is 2 hours, then we have to multiply 60 with 2. If it is 3 hours, we have to multiply 60 with 3. Okay, then it will be 180 minutes. Okay, I hope you have got the concept that when we have to convert hours into minute, we have to multiply the given number. Okay, if it is written 3 hours, we have to multiply with 3. If it is written 4 hours, we have to multiply with 4. If it is written 6 hours, we have to multiply with 6. If it is written 12, we have to multiply it with 12, and so on, as per according to the number given here. Now moving on to the complicated examples. 2 hour 20 minutes. Okay, now you have to convert the hour also in minute. Okay, now here you have to convert hour into minute. Now what you have to do? You know that first you have to solve this one. Okay, so solve 2 multiplied by 60. 2 multiplied by 60. Okay, 2 multiplied by 60 and put it under bracket. Okay, now add plus. Now put the sign of plus here and write 20 minutes. You will not convert this because it is already in minute. Please keep it in mind that you will not convert or you will not touch this because it is already in minute. Okay, you will only convert this one into minute. You will only convert hours into minutes. And I have already told you that for converting hours into minutes, you have to multiply the given number with 60. Now, and you have to put the sign of plus or addition here, okay, in between. So 2 multiplied by 6, that is 6 2s are 12. 120 plus 20 minute. Okay, 120 plus 20, 140 minute. Okay, in this way you have to convert hours into minutes. Okay, look at this again. This was in hour and this was in minute. 2 hour 20 minutes. Okay, you will not touch this one. You will keep this as it is because it is already in minute. You will only convert this one, hour. 2 hour you have to convert it into minutes. Okay, for that you have to multiply it with 60. Just solve this side first, that is an hour. 2 multiplied by 60, 120. Then you have to put the sign of addition here, plus 20 minutes. 120 plus 20, 140 minutes. Okay, do not write it like this. 2 multiplied by 60 and 20 minutes. So 120, 20 minutes. Okay, do not write like this. 120 plus 20. Do not forget to add these two numbers. Okay, addition is important. Okay, then only you will get the correct answer. 120 plus 20, then only you will get 140 minutes. Now let us take another example. 6 hours 10 minutes. Okay, 6 hours 10 minutes. Now again, you have to only convert hour into minute. This one only. Okay, do not touch this one. Okay, keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. Now 6 hour, 6 multiplied by 60 and under bracket. Then the sign of addition. Then 10 minutes, write it as it is. Okay, 6 multiplied by 6. 6 6 are 36 and 0 plus 10 minutes. 360 plus 10, 370 minutes. Simple. Only convert this one and put the sign of addition and then add these two numbers and you will get the conversion. 3670 minute. Now you know 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, now you have to convert these minutes into seconds. Okay, you have to convert these minutes into seconds. So 4 minutes. Okay, I have told you that you have to multiply 60 with the given number, that is for minutes. 4 multiplied by 60, that is equal to 24 and 0, 240 seconds. Okay, 6 minutes. So 6 multiplied by 60, that is equal to 360 seconds. Okay, 10 minutes. 10 multiplied by 60, that is equal to 600 seconds. Okay, and do not forget to write seconds or the given unit, okay, in which you have to convert. So 4 minutes is equal to 4 multiplied by 60, 6 minutes is equal to 6 multiplied by 60, 10 minutes is equal to 10 multiplied by 60. So just you have to multiply it with 60 when you have to convert it into seconds, okay, and you have to multiply with the given numbers. Simple. For hours you have to multiply with 60, then it will be converted into minutes. For minutes you have to multiply it with 60, then it will be converted into seconds. Now when we have to convert minutes into hours, okay, when we have to convert minutes into hours, so what we have to do, we have to divide the given number with 60, okay, we have to divide the given number with 60. So here these are 65 minutes, okay, so we have to divide 65 with 60, okay, you can divide it with this method. 60 ones are 60, okay, directly you can divide it with 60. 60 ones are 60, 0 and 5, okay, so 1 will be our hour and 5 will be minute. Understood? This quotient will be hour and the remainder will be minute, okay, so 1 hour 5 minutes. So when we have to convert minute into hour and minutes, we have to divide the given number with 60, okay. Now let us take another example, 360 minutes, okay. We have to convert this into hours and minutes. So for that we have to divide 360 by 60, okay. Now divide this. 60 ones are 60 or 60 twos are 120 and 66 are 600 and 66 are 36. So 66 are 360. Okay, so our answer is 6 hours. Our answer is 6 hours. We have to write it like this. Okay, and we have to convert minute into hours, so we have to divide the given number, that is 60, with 360 with 60, okay, and then we have to divide this like this and then we'll get the answer 6 hours. Okay, we have to convert here, say convert hours and minutes into seconds. Now we have to convert hours and minutes into seconds. Okay, so here is an example of 4 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, now you have to convert it into seconds. Okay, it is hour and minutes and you have to convert it into seconds. Now for that, first you have to convert this hour into minute. You have to convert this hour into minute. So 4 multiplied by 60, okay, plus 30 minute. Okay, 6 4s are 24, 240 plus 30, that is equal to 270 minutes. Okay, 270 minutes. Now you have to convert this minute into seconds. Okay, now you have to convert the minutes into seconds. So now you can easily convert 270 minutes into seconds. 270 minutes is our answer by solving 4 hours and 20 minutes. 30 minutes. 270 minutes multiplied by 60. That is equal to 16200 second. Okay. First we have to convert hours into minute and then we'll get the answer to 70 minutes. Then we have to convert this minute into seconds by multiplying it with 60 and then we'll get the answer 16200 seconds. Okay. Let us take another example, 6 hour 50 minute. Okay. So first we have to convert this hour. Okay. So multiply 6 with 60 plus 50. Okay. 6 6 are 36, 360 plus 50. Okay. Now 360 plus 50, that is equal to 0, 6 plus 5, 11, 1 here and 1 as carry, 3 plus 1, 4, 410 minutes. Now we have to convert this now we have to convert this 410 minutes to seconds by multiplying it with 60. Okay, and when we will multiply this with 60, we'll get the answer 24600 seconds is our answer. Okay, 24600 seconds is our answer. So this is how you have to convert hours and minutes into seconds. Okay, first you have to convert this hour into minute by multiplying it with 60 plus 50. Okay, do not forget to add this. Then 6 you have to multiply 360 plus 50 minutes. Okay, 410, then again you have to multiply it with 60 to get the answer in seconds. Now we have to convert seconds into hours and minutes. Okay, we have to convert seconds into hours and minutes. For that, first this is 4800 seconds. Okay, now first we have to convert into minutes. We have to convert it into minutes and then we have to convert it into hours. Okay, first seconds will be converted to minutes, then it will be converted to hours. Okay, we'll move in ascending order. Okay, seconds to minutes and then hours. So for that we have to divide it with 60. You already know that when we have to convert seconds into minutes, we have to divide with 60. Okay, we have to divide 4800 by 60. Okay, when we will divide 60 by 4800, you can do it like this also. You can cut 1 0, okay, from numerator and denominator. You can cut 1 0. Then you are left with 480 divided by 6. Now you can easily divide 480 by 6. Okay, when these two zeros are cut, then you can easily divide 6 with 480. Okay, 6 is a 48 and 0 is left. Okay, that 0 will come as quotient. So 80. Now we have our answer 80 minutes. Okay, now we have to convert now this minute into hours now. Okay, for converting minutes into hours, what we do? We divide the number with 60. Okay, so we will again divide 80 with 60. Okay, again you can cut this 1 0 with this one zero. Okay, you can cut both these zeros and you are left with 6 and 8. Now you can easily divide 6. Okay, you can easily divide 8 with 6. 6 ones are 6, 8 minus 6, 2. This is our hour and this is minute. Quotient is hour and remainder is minute. So our answer is 1 hour 2 minute. Okay, what you have to do for converting seconds into minutes and hours? First you have to convert seconds into minutes. Okay, seconds you have to convert into minutes by dividing it with 60. Okay, and again when you will convert minutes to hours, again you will divide 80 by 60. Then you will get the answer in hours and minutes. The hour will be the quotient and minutes will be our remainder. Okay, so this is how we can convert seconds into minutes and hours. Okay, so let us revise. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, and when we have to convert seconds into minute, we have to divide the given number by 60, and when we have to divide or we have to convert minute into hours, we have to divide the given number by 60. In reverse, we divide, then we will convert hours to minutes, we will multiply 60. When we will convert minutes to seconds, we will multiply 60. Okay, but when we will convert 60 to minutes, we will divide by 60. When we will convert minutes to hours, we will divide by 60. Okay, so I hope children you must have got the concept how to convert hours into minutes and minutes into seconds and seconds into minutes and minutes into hours. Okay, when we go from hours to minutes and minutes to seconds, we multiply 60, and when we go from seconds to minutes and minutes to hours, we divide by 60. Okay, this is how you have to convert. These are very simple. Okay, just whenever you get that it is hours, you have to convert in minute, first convert the hour, then you have to add minute. Okay, and if it is in minutes and seconds, then you have to convert first it into seconds, then you have to add that second also. Okay, so after this I will be sending you the photo of the exercise that you have to do in your copy. Okay, that you have to do in your copy. Some questions I have solved here in the blackboard and some are left. So watch the video and try to solve those questions by yourself. Okay, because this is a very important exercise. You must do it by yourself and you must have practice of this exercise. Okay, so do this exercise by yourself. If you will get any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, any question, if you find any doubt in any question, you can ask me. Okay.